What's up? You might be wondering what I'm doing. Today, I am finally able to update the beginner beekeeper. What happened? I caught some freaking bees. I'll go show you here in a second, but since I caught some bees, it took like 5-6 weeks for the swarm to find it and for me to rebait it and everything, but I finally caught some bees. Freebies are the best bees, period. Anyway, I'm gonna build a platform out of this, just a rectangular shape. I'll drop a picture right about now. And that's kind of the general concept that I'm gonna do, a 4-foot long by, I don't know, 18-inch wide, so the box will fit on it with some braces in between it. Just a really simple stand to set the hives on. I gotta order a new hive, but the swarm box, I gotta move tomorrow morning. No, I'm not gonna film that. It's freaking 18, 20 foot up in a tree. It's gonna be impossible for me to film it. But I'll show you the beehive here in just 1 second. Stay tuned.
I got my brothers and my fam standing next to me. I go to war for what I love until the death of me. You quitting in the first is not a threat to me. Because what break me is what makes me, it's my destiny. I know we heard it all before, but let me give it to you straight. When you're back against the wall, you just step up to the plate. Who to call, who gon' fall, don't be asking who to blame. Go insane, hey, since I lit the flame, I ain't scared to burn away. Since I lit the flame, I ain't scared to burn away. Yeah, leave a trail behind, leave a rail behind. Snails getting turned into the cargo that we left behind. Getting to your prime, we the dons, upper echelon. Run the field like Megatron, always keeping pressure.
So I got the old stand built. Let me go over the dimensions real quick with you guys. So here's the measurements on this quick stand, a beehive stand project, guys. It's, I'm kind of upside down, but you have to bear with me here. 18 1/8. That'll work. 18 1/8 there. That's inside to inside. These are 2 by 6 by 8 boards I cut down. It's 48 inches. This is a 48-inch board right here. 48-inch board. Put the posts on the inside. I cut these down. Originally they were, I just did an 8-foot board and chopped it in 4 equal portions. I had to shave about, I'd say they were a little over 8 foot, so I had to shave about a 1/2 inch off one of these, maybe 3/8 of an inch, but leveled it all out nicely as you can see. Just try to make your post the same size and level it out as you need. 48 inches inside to inside, 18 inches, 18 1/4 inch inside to inside. Because that box, like I say, when you get that beehive, a Hoover beehive, I'm not sure what the other ones are, but if you measure it, they're gonna be about 22. So that'll give you about 1 inch, same thing, overhang on either side. So I picked this spot for a few reasons. One, it is about 30 yards away from my garden in this line of 50 American plum trees, followed by my 15 apple trees and my 3 pear trees and my 2 peach trees. And my clover plot is literally right on the other side of my oaks that I have in these tubes. So I cleared out a good spot right here on the ground for easy enough, enough away from the house, but yet easy enough access to where these bees will thrive. Okay guys, I arrived at the bee trap. Well, let me show you. I'm gonna flip it around and just zoom in, and I'm actually gonna climb up the ladder so you can see what I gotta get myself into tomorrow morning to set that swarm box on the new platform, the new stand that I built for the beehive. Still got to order the beehive. I'm going to do that today, but first things first, this bad boy needs to come down. And that ladder, about 18, 20 foot. Sure seems like a lot more bees than the last time I was up here, which is cool. They're buzzing me right now. Last few times I checked, they didn't have a problem. They're just honeybees doing what honeybees do best. Looks like they've made this place their home. Ooh, those got a lot of pollen on their legs. So they're definitely collecting pollen. Look at that pollen on that guy's legs. Pollen. Attaboy, honeybees, had a gal. Now it would be interesting to climb down this ladder with that box over the top of my shoulder and try to get it all the way down to the ground and out into the wheeler. Got a few logs and I'll have to step over. I'll have to have this thing on my shoulder like this. Put it on the wheeler, take them to their new home. Ought to be fun. First time I'm gonna try it, and I don't have a bee suit yet, so we'll see what happens. Pray for me. Well, fellas, I got her in her new resting place this morning before work. Scared the shit out of me, but I got it done. I did hear them buzzing around in the box, just barely. But I pulled the tape and nothing's flying out of there, which is weird to me. But I kept it as level as I could, carried it down on my shoulder, nice and level, nice and slow and quiet. And I strapped it down. I re-strapped that box so it's not wobbly or nothing. But just in case, strapped it back down. So hopefully I still have bees in there. I know I do. I don't have bees in there. The question is, I just can't believe they're not flying out of there like crazy people. But hopefully I get back from work, they will be. So fingers crossed.